What's up, guys? So for today's video, we're just going to take a look at the Common Projects Achilles low. This is a shoe that I kind of been looking for a while. Obviously, if you know about Common Projects, the retail price is pretty steep. It's around 400 USD. Truth be told, I don't want to pay that price. So I've been just monitoring the internet and just the sites that I look at and just looking for the right price. Fortunately enough, a few days ago I came across the right price on StockX of all places. Honestly, I would never think that I would find a steal on there. I actually got the blush pair like a week or so ago from a friend for a really good price. So I didn't want to pass up on it. So yeah, it's an iconic pair. I mean, I'm sure you guys have all seen this. Not too much to say about it other than it's blush. It's a leather shoe. First impressions were good, but I obviously knew that it wasn't worth $400. I'm sure you guys have all seen the videos cutting it open and what it's actually made out of. So there's not too much to say. But yeah, just to get into the shoe or quickly unbox it. Like I said again, I got this from StockX, and as you all may know, StockX is notorious for people trying to charge your whole life for a pair of shoes. But yeah, getting into the shoe, if you don't know and you're trying to look for a pair of Common Projects, they actually do fit pretty big in my opinion. I'm not sure how you like your shoe to fit. I like mine snug. So I got these in a size 40, which is I think around 7.5 in US. And I'm normally an 8.5, so that's a full size down. I don't know how, again, you like your shoes to fit. But yeah, this is a full size down. Again, I got these from StockX for a crazy steal, and I'm not sure why they were so low. But I have an assumption that it's because it's the women's pair. And doing some research and looking online, and even having the blush pair, which is a women's pair, they don't fit any different than the men's pair. As what I've read online, they're exactly the same sizes, same shoe, obviously, same silhouette. So I don't understand why the prices were so drastically different. I don't know, but if you don't care about buying women's shoes, then go for it, because they're really not any different. But yeah, just getting into the shoe. You guys have all seen this, probably. These shoes were pretty popular a few years ago, so I'm not showing you anything new, I'm sure. Yeah, these are just the white version of the Achilles low. Again, I don't think they're worth $400, but if you can find the right price, go for them. The only reason why I think this is still an essential shoe is just because of its silhouette. I've looked for alternatives and just other options all over the internet. And truth be told, I've not found an option that I like, just because the alternatives that I've found just don't look right. I don't know how to explain that, because it's really just a white shoe. There's nothing special about this. But the Common Projects Achilles low, just the silhouette, the sleekness of it. Most times I find that the other alternatives that I've seen, they just look too bulky, too puffy almost. Which might not be a bad thing. Maybe it's better quality than these, but that's just my opinion. Essentially why I think this is still an essential sneaker and something that should be a part of your rotation if you can find the right price. Again, it just looks really good on foot. But yeah, the secret's that look for the women's pair. Honestly, I don't really know why it's so different from the men's pair. There's really no explanation. Someone could tell me. I'm not really that knowledgeable in Common Projects, so if there is a huge difference, please let me know. But to my knowledge and what I've seen, there's really no difference to them. But yeah, it's a Common Projects Achilles low.